Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Google Chrome error problem. Or what you wanna do is go to the top corner here, click on those three dots and then click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you wanna do is just choose this privacy and security tab. Click on it and then click on clear browsing data. Click on clear data and then click on cookies and other site data. Scroll and make sure to choose allow all cookies and scroll down, and all what you want to do is make sure that you don't have any website right here. After that, click on system and make sure to disable this option and this option, and then restart your Google Chrome browser. Don't forget to like, subscribe.